All right. The problem is that I work outside a lot. I'm a hands-on. I'm always at the shop, but I'm also a cook. So in order to get rid of some of the mildew that we have in here, we're going to use this little brush I just got, and I got it for one reason, to do the nails part. And that's kind of what I got it for. And of course, it has a silicone hanger here. And let's put it to use. Let's see how well it works. So you guys can see before and after. We're going to see before and after. See if it gets rid of that. Now I'm going to have to go pick it out. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So rinse your hands first. All right. Get your favorite soap. Make sure that this, got some of my face right there. Some of this. Make sure it's wet too. I'm going to go ahead and start with the foam. And get some of your nails. Normally they like to sink these in there in soap and get it slippery, but we don't have time right now. We're gonna cook in a bit right now, so start doing this. Close. Make sure you don't put your eyes near it because it's gonna get some on your eyes. Let's see how well it works. Scrubbing it, pointing it down to the whole thing. Yeah, it's working. So doctors use this, so might as well. And get any germs out of there. All right, to the next one. I like to give it two because I'm gonna run these to the ground because I always have to do. And I had comments in one of my pages when I was cooking. So I said, "Oh man, I wouldn't eat there," when I was cooking it for myself. So I can understand that. You just want to make sure that it's clean. And if you want to double do it, even better. So clean it even better. So this works for your toes or for your hands, but don't combine them. Use them separate. All right. And clean it out. It's not bad. It's actually did a good job. Look at that. Before and after. Look at that. It's not bad. It works. I'm going to keep this in here. This is what I want to see. So my nails are clean. Perfect. So you guys are looking for little brushes like this to clean your nails, in between your nails. This is perfect. You guys saw me before and after. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.